9 times out of 10, it would hit neutral without even really trying. So the days of hunting neutral are over. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you so much for tuning in and checking out just what we have in store for you today. Today's going to be a super quick video. If you clicked on the thumbnail, you already know what this is about. This is about easy shifting. No more gear hunting. No more sitting in a red light trying to hit neutral, find neutral, whether you're coming up from first or down from second. You're going to hit neutral more frequently, easier. And to be honest with you, I've seen this product for the last year, and even though I love everything on my bike that's Kraus, every single Kraus product I've put on my bikes, whether it's the Ghost or Lilith or previous bikes, absolutely have been blown away by their quality, their craftsmanship, attention to detail. They always hit the mark every single time. They never skip a beat when it comes to their products. So when I saw this, I was kind of skeptical. I'm not going to lie. I was skeptical. I was like, man, this has got to be a gimmicky type of thing. I don't know if I buy it. I'm just being honest with you. Even though it's got, got Kraus, the full brand of Kraus behind it, I was like, yeah, I don't know, man. This just seems just kind of gimmicky to me. But I'm willing to give it a shot. We're going to throw it on the bike. This is Kraus's Easy Shift. For under $100, man, like if it helps with finding neutral, not sitting there, like I said, hunting that gear at a light, even helping with shifting in between gears, first through sixth. They say that it helps with the smooth transition from gear to gear. So I'm definitely down to give this a shot. It is super simple to put on. It's literally going to be 2 bolts. One you already have on your bike, and then one that comes with it. I'll show you guys how to throw this on. We'll get out there. I'll put it to the test. We'll go ride with it. I'm definitely going to put it through its paces, going to give you guys an honest review, give you an honest feedback on it. I'm not here to sugarcoat shit for anybody. But yeah, I trust my peers. I trust people who have already put this on their bikes and said it's phenomenal. So, but like I said, if it doesn't check the boxes for me and if I don't notice a big difference, I'm not going to sit here and try and sell it to you guys and tell you should definitely put this on your bike if it doesn't meet my expectations. So let me show you how to throw it on. It's literally going to take less than 5 minutes. So this is extremely easy to put on, guys. This is not hard at all. You're just going to need a 4.5 mil hex key. We have our set screw here that just locks it in place. This one takes a 3 mil hex key, just a little 3 mil guy. All you do is you take your easy shift, it goes right over top of the rear shift arm or rear shift lever, and we just screw that in just like that. Doesn't need to be torqued down to hell, just nice and snug. Take our shift linkage and get that threaded back on there. You might need to make some adjustments to your foot control depending on where you usually have it set. This will move it. Installing this will move it a little bit. And then we'll just get this tightened back down. All right. And that is that. It's literally that easy. And then we'll just tighten down our set screw. And once you feel this snug up, that's it. You don't need to keep torquing on it because this is a softer metal and you can potentially strip that. All this is doing is providing force to hold, just to secure this and kind of reinforce it a little bit into that rear lever. All right, so that's nice and tight. And just with clicking it with my hand, I can feel just how easy that hits into neutral. That's neutral there. Second, neutral, first, neutral, second, neutral, first. Super, super smooth. But I'm gonna go put some miles. I got a ride to my nephew's graduation, which is about 90 minutes each way. So I will report back on how well this is working. So the install is super easy, like not hard at all. And I can tell you right now, like I said at the beginning, I originally was like, is this kind of a gimmicky type of thing? Like I had my doubts. I'll be honest. Every review I do, I will be 100% transparent. And at first, I was like, I don't know, man. This just seems kind of a gimmicky type of thing. So after riding down in Utah County, for those of you that live in Utah and you're familiar with that area by BYU, Orem, Provo, you know it's light after light after light and constant stop and go traffic, just constant traffic. And dude, I can tell you right now that this thing worked phenomenally well. And even just shifting through gears 1 through 6, it just seemed so much smoother. It blew all my expectations out of the water. Would I recommend this? 100%. Like I said, it's under $100. You're gonna find neutral so much easier, guys. Like you saw in the video, I mean, effortless. I was like many of you, you get tired. Even running high quality oil, primary oil, transmission oil. I run Bel-Ray, and before Bel-Ray, I ran AMS oil. So the best oils you can get, and even with those, you would still have issues with hard shifting or trying to find neutral. And 9 times out of 10, it would hit neutral without even really trying. So the days of hunting neutral are over with the easy shift, and I'm super glad that I gave it a shot because, like I said, it exceeded my expectations. These do come in 2 different finishes. You have the machined silver finish and then black, as you saw on my bike, made out of CNC billet aluminum. Super high quality. Anything Kraus puts out is always phenomenal quality. They care about the quality of the components that they release with their name on it. That's why I go back to Kraus any chance given, because they're just, everything they put out works phenomenally well, very well made, and they're locals to me, just down in St. George, Utah, not too far from where I'm at. So it's supporting local, and they're a great company. He made everything here in the USA, guys, and support American made. And for me, supporting local, it's a win-win, and I'm getting phenomenal products as well. The quality with them is second to none, like it always just has been. This will fit all M8 and twin cam transmissions. So if you're rocking an M8 or twin cam, this will work for you. So that's going to do it with this, guys. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Thank you so much to everybody who has served and gave the ultimate sacrifice for our beautiful country. With that, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Much love from Utah. Peace out. Bye.